The wintry scene in Hamburg, New York on Sunday could almost be idyllic. But with more than 6 feet of snow reported in parts of the region in a matter of days, people here know it will take a ton of work to dig out. Mike Miller was getting to it on Saturday. Despite staring down a snow pile nearly as tall as him, he said he's seen worse.
I've been through several, and I would say this is probably the third most amount of snow I've seen.
Squalls began blowing in from Lake Erie and Lake Ontario on Thursday. The state's second largest city of Buffalo more than doubled its previous one-day snowfall record on Saturday with more than 16 inches, according to the National Weather Service. There have been flight cancellations and road closures. Even kids were having a hard time finding a silver lining.
It would be like a Winter Wonderland, but with no candy.
About 150 National Guard members have been deployed to help with snow removal. New York Governor Kathy Hochul said on Saturday. She said a request for a federal emergency declaration is also in the works. So far, at least 2 people have died of apparent heart attacks while shoveling. And the snow may not let up just yet. According to the National Weather Service, conditions could persist through Monday morning.